last few weeks, we've been talking about why conflict is normal, how to navigate it well, and the importance of listening to understand. This week, we are going to close the loop and talk about practicing forgiveness. Forgiveness is an important part of conflict because when we do this, we are able to let go of resentment. It also fosters trust and strengthens the connection in the relationship. One of the tools you can use to help practice forgiveness is to learn to separate the person from the behavior. When we can value the person while we're talking about the behavior we do not like, the conversation goes way better. Imagine somebody talking to you about your behavior that's not desired and how it would feel to have them value you at the same time. If you think this information would be helpful to someone you know, please feel free to share it. Otherwise, I invite you to join us and like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.